Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make Merinder juice, and Merinder juice is a combination drink of tamarind, watermelon and ginger. So the watermelon is half of a big watermelon. I actually got a lot of juices from this watermelon. So first you have to cut it into smaller pieces, just like I have done the ginger. For the tamarind juice, I already boil it and sieve out the juice, which is how I put it in my fridge or freezer. So whenever I need it, I bring it out, allow it to melt, then I use it for my juice or for my tea. And then after cutting the cucumber and watermelon, I'll go ahead to blend it. I'll keep blending and measuring to see how much liquid I'll get. At the end of the day, I think I got 3 point something liters from this half watermelon. So that means the whole watermelon was 7 liters of juice. So after that, I added the half liter of tamarind juice, which I already measured, so that it wouldn't be too sour, because tamarind has this sourness. So after that, I use my chiffon cloth to sieve everything. There is no need for sugar, but for someone like me with sweet tooth, I added sugar lumps. So I melted sugar lumps and I added it. I think it's 1 cup, just for extra sweetness. So I go ahead to sieve out all the juice. At the end of the day, I got 3 point. This container is 2.3 liters. Then I got another 1 liter, 1.5 liters. So all in all, almost 4 liters of tamarind juice after removing the watermelon juice. Then I go ahead to package it. I got 10 pouches, which will serve my 2 kids for 1 week. And then I got 2 bottles that I will just enjoy myself. Thank you so much for watching. Please try and feed me back.